Hello everyone, my name is Kedar Dave and I am going to present my Python project on deepfaking a video. So first we import the required libraries and image library refers to the manipulation of images as frames. NumPy is used, NumPy, Matplotlib library and transform. These three libraries are used to calculate the changes and display them correctly. The ski image and IPython display is also used to display them correctly, and we filter out every warning given here. We import the source image and the driver video we need, and the driver video is spread into frames. The frame are appended in another variable, and the variable is passed to plot the figure and transform the required figure to the given video. This is the given figure, and we have to replace it with this video. So we then load checkpoints at every frame of the video and determine where to transform the image and uh, determine the alpha level of the photo. Then for each frame, we replace that photo with that transition and we animate what was going to happen. So this is the resulting video. As you can see, this photo has been superimposed on this video. So this is my project. This is first order motion model. The code is given in the description and keep learning and move. Thank you.